What's up, guys? This is Philly Storage RC. Today I got the Redcat. But today's video is about me installing these lights right here. Boom! From Lou Fix It. Bang! That's the right way. From Lou Fix It light kits. Yeah, Lou Fix It. He makes a light kit. If you haven't checked his channel out, I'll leave his channel in the description below, and his eBay store in the description below, so you can purchase some lights from him. These are specifically for the Vigilante, but he also has tons of other light kits. So if you want to check out his eBay store or check out his channel, all that will be in the description below. And also you can purchase these also. But yeah, with these kits, I'm gonna show you what you get in the pack. You get front lights, you get the rear lights, and then you get all the accessories and hardware you need to make it work. Yeah, you get this nice little sticker here. You can put it on your car. I'm gonna throw it up on there, let you know where the lights came from. If I didn't mention, I'm gonna show you how I look when I put it on the car. I'm not doing an install video. If you want to see the full install video for this particular car, you have to check his channel out. He has tons of lights. He doesn't only have the Vigilante, but he got a few light kits that you can purchase through the eBay store. This is just the one for this vehicle right here, but I'm gonna just show you the end results, not the install video. You have to check him out for the install video. So I'm gonna throw the lights on there real quick, let you see how it look. Wipe this body down, do some things to it. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Here go the finished product. Perfect. Well, these lights was already on there, but yeah, I like how he did that. I mean, he got the double lights. It lines up right there on both sides. So we got white in the front and red in the back. Yeah, man, this is nice. It's better than my normal light kits. But I'm gonna unplug and let you see how clean it is underneath. Maybe I can home you in there. I just gotta set that wire, but they're gonna look inside. Very clean look. I should have got another body first, but hey, it looked pretty good there. The alcohol pads came in handy. Now I gotta clean my body up. There you have it, folks. Easy install. The install don't take no time. The install takes no time, man. There we go. Nice and flush. I want to do a night run with this. Yeah, do a little nice run. Like how that turned out. That turned out perfect. And the big V8. Yeah, man, check out Lou Fix It. He'll show you how to install it, because I had to watch that video to understand how to install it. So, but now I got it. Looks great. Shout out to Lou Fix It. Shout out to Urban RC. Shout out to Linden 215 RC. Shout out to Just Bashing It. RC Hotspot. Give a shout out to RC Hotspot. Give a shout out to the whole crew. Give a shout out to everybody that supports your channel. You can check out Urban Legends RC live stream. Check out me and the other guys go over RC topics. Check out that live stream. Want to ask any questions, just in case you do install this light kit, you can go in there. Lou Fix It to be on there. He can explain way better than I can, or you could just tune into his channel. Yeah, Lou, I need some lights for my Notorious now, man. I'm waiting on you. Boom! Check out his eBay store. As always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Boom! Perfect.